Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about how we can use the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 as a security camera, and this will entirely change the way we use this smartwatch. So the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has been a great watch, and although a lot of new features are added, the security camera feature has been recently unlocked, and with this feature you can now record or click pictures anytime anywhere via your Android device. You don't need to pick up your phone and click the videos, but definitely you can click the pictures via your Android device with a click of a button, and obviously you can do this all by configuring some of the settings in this watch. So definitely this will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to sales, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has been a great watch, and all the new updates are making this smartwatch better with time, and definitely a lot of features are getting added, and this smartwatch can now click pictures just like a security camera with a click of a button from your Android device, and this can be really useful at times, and at the same time the other person will not be able to know that the picture has been clicked from your Android device. So before I show you the steps, you need to make sure that you are using this for useful and educational purposes only. You will not use this to stalk anyone, because that is absolutely not recommended to do. So you can do this in a number of ways, but I will recommend you to first install an app on your Android device. So the app which you need to install is MacroDroid Device Automation, and this app will help you to use this smartwatch as a security camera. So once you have installed this on your phone, you need to install the same app on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 by going to the Play Store. So I have already installed the MacroDroid app on the smartwatch and on my Android device, and once I do that, I need to open the app in my Android device first. So once I open this app, you can see I will get a lot of options, and I need to create a macro. So once you open the add macro wizard, you need to come to the actions option, where you will get the action to set the macro which will click pictures and record audio. So first you need to come to the camera oblique photo option, and here you can see that there will be an option to take picture. You need to click on that, and you will get these two options. You can choose any one of them. Front facing will click the picture from front camera, and rear facing will click the picture from rear camera. So I will just click on front camera, and obviously you can also select whether it will show the camera icon or not. I will select hide camera icon, and here I need to create a new folder where the images will be saved. So once I am done, I will just select this folder, and this folder will be selected to add the images which will be clicked via the phone. And now I will click on the trigger option and come to connectivity, and here I will select the Android Wear option. So once I am done, I will select an icon, and the macro will be created. So this you can give any name like front. So under the macros part, you can see the front macro has been created. So I will create the same thing for the rear camera. So for rear camera, I need to again come to the add macro wizard option, and here in the actions part I need to select camera photo, and here I need to click on the take picture, and here I need to click on rear facing option. Once I click on OK, I can choose whether the flash will be on or off or auto. I will click on flash auto, select OK, and show camera icon or hide camera icon. I will obviously select hide camera icon, and again I need to select the folder, click on OK. And now again I will come to trigger connectivity and do the same thing here, and obviously I will select an icon, click on the stick sign, and I will just name it the rear camera. So the two macros are created for front camera and the rear camera, and now we will see whether this is working or not. To check this, I need to come to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and open the MacroDroid app, and here you can see the front and rear cameras are showing. So I will just click on this front option, and here you can see the phone has already clicked a picture without even showing the camera icon. Again I will just click on the rear option, and here you can see running rear, and the rear camera has clicked the picture already by this phone. So now I will see whether the pics are created and stored in the mentioned folder or not. So here is the folder which I have created, and here I will just see whether all the pictures are clicked properly or not. So here you can see the pictures are clicked via the front camera and also the rear camera via the Android device. So definitely the option is working, and we can click pictures by the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 anytime by clicking on one of these buttons which I have created via the Macro Droid app. Now I will show you that we can also record audio to know what is going on around. So this will be an useful option also to record the background audio with a click of a button via the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 anytime, anywhere. So for this, again, you will have to come to the Macro Droid app. So once you are in the Macro Droid app, you need to come to the home option. Here again, you need to come to actions, and in the actions option, you need to select now the record microphone option. So while the record microphone option will be selected, you will be prompted with a pop-up to give the permission to record audio, and you can set the time to record the audio via the Android phone. So definitely if you want to record a longer audio, you can just select 5 minutes, or if you want to record it for a short period of time, you can select something like 30 seconds. So once you click on OK, it will ask from where you want to record the audio, whether it is a standard microphone or camcorder. So you need to click on OK, and also here it will ask for the format. The AAC format is a really good format in terms of audio, and here also you need to select the folder where it will be saved. So I have already selected the folder here, and now I will just give the trigger again. So under connectivity, I will select the Android Wear option, and here I have to give an icon and click on the stick sign. So I have named it as audio, clicked on OK, and in the macros list you can see the audio option is visible. So here I will click on the audio option and see whether the audio is recorded via the Android device. So I will click on the audio and wait for some time. So it will not show anything on the phone whether it is recording the audio or not, but it should be recording the audio in the background. So let's say something like subscribe to Addicted Blogging. So definitely I have selected for a shorter period of time, and here it will record the audio for 30 seconds. And once it is recorded, it will stop recording the audio. So now let's see whether the audio is recorded or not, and whether we are able to see it via our Android phone. So once I come to this folder, you can see that the audio has been recorded, and definitely I will now play the audio to see whether we are able to hear everything whatever I have said at the time. So here I am playing the audio. So let's say something like subscribe to Addicted Blogging. So here you can see the audio has been recorded, and it has recorded the same length of audio whichever I have mentioned while configuring the Macro Droid app. So if you want to record a longer version of the audio, you can definitely set a longer time frame so that the audio will be recorded for a longer period of time. So definitely this is working, and the audio is recorded via the Android device with a click of a button on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So definitely you can use this method to record the audio and click the pictures, and use the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 as a security camera whenever you need this option. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you that you can record audio and click pictures via the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and use it as a security camera. And definitely this will be a really useful feature to have on this smartwatch. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.